Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by going straight to your device settings. This is where the hotspot lives. Unlock the phone, open settings, then tap network and internet or connections depending on your model. Once done, choose mobile hotspot or personal hotspot to reveal the hotspot controls. You do this now because it grants access to both the toggle and the current network name and security options. Make sure cellular data is enabled so the hotspot options appear. Without data, the hotspot menu may be disabled. Now you'll find the SSID and the password field. This is the credential you need. Tap the password area to reveal the current characters, or choose Edit or Set up Wi-Fi hotspot to enter a new one. When changing it, pick a strong passphrase. Use letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words. Once entered, save or apply so settings persist. Make sure to note the new password exactly, because case and special characters matter when connecting other devices to your hotspot. Finally, connect your laptop or tablet. Scan available Wi-Fi networks, pick the hotspot SSID, and type the password exactly as shown. Once connected, test internet access by loading a web page. If connection fails, make sure the password entry matches case and symbols. Once done, try turning the hotspot off and on or restarting your phone. If that fails, toggle airplane mode to reset radios, then re-enable cellular and hotspot. This often clears temporary network glitches and restores normal hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.